Hey everyone, this is Justine of JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This one is finally another memory spread. I'm using this Be Kind kit from Letters to Apollo, and this is actually a kit that I got in an oops bag. So I only have these two pages. So I have the full boxes and then the page of like headers and sidebar stuff, so really not a lot to work with at all. I pulled in some washi from my collection. This 5mm is just from Simply Gilded. I honestly don't know what color that is. I thought I was pulling like a lilac and champagne gold, but I think that might just be like the regular classic pink. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't look lilac to me at all. And then the bottom washi, I've used that before. I think it's from Recollections from Michaels, but it is super, super pretty with like big, bold florals. And yeah, I really do like that washi a lot. It's kind of like a mix of like floral and lace. But yeah, that's kind of like the washi that I pull in when I don't have washi really to match the kit, or if I don't want to use too many bows. But anyway, yes, so this is again an oops kit. I only have the two pages, so if you are new to my channel, then you might not know this, but I have several videos on my channel where I take smaller kits, so whether that be a B6 kit or in this case like an oops kit where I only have a few of the pages, or maybe I'll take just the full boxes of a kit and then I'll make like an entire 7x9 planner spread using that by just pulling a lot of stickers from my collection, whether that be like my leftover sticker book or functional stickers that I purchased like individual sheets of, that type of thing. And yeah, I think it's definitely something I like to do, first of all because buying full kits is super freaking expensive, but also I have so many stickers already that I need to use, so might as well use them and also save some money on the kit. So anyway, that being said, this is the week of May 3rd to the 9th. This is the week of Mother's Day, and yeah, to say I am a little behind on my memory spreads is definitely understatement. So yeah, I am quite torn between whether or not I'm going to just skip ahead or if I'm just going to try to like kick it in gear and actually get my ass to do this or to like catch up. But I think time will tell what happens there. But anyway, these scallop headers with a single bow and the line through them, those are super pretty. They're from Tassel Planner, which is unfortunately no longer open, but I thought these were like a pretty good color to pull in. They're like a cool gray tone, almost purple. So yeah. Oh yeah, so I mean obviously you can tell that the kit is gold foiled. In the sidebar, that floral sticker is I think from Bloom Paper Studio. The May script is from Sticky Slot Designs. Let's see, I did pull in a swooshie from Lilac Luna Plans, a thick lace divider from Bloom Paper Studio, and then that like frame box in the sidebar is from the Giving Girl. Those are really pretty. Those are like a new release from the Giving Girl. I do have a bunch of coupon codes and discount codes, and those are always linked down below in the description bar. So please check that out. I do have a referral, no, not a referral link, but an affiliate code to the Giving Girl. It's Justine10 if you want to save. And yeah, let's see. For my work meetings, I'm pulling in different scallops. So the white one is from Sweet Bella XOXO, and then this pink one is just from Panda Bird Designs, and then underneath the one on Monday, that swooshy is from the Pretty Pinko. That's my absolute favorite swooshy at the moment. And then I just sprinkle some deco. The deco is going to be from the Giving Girl, Honey Inked, some from maybe Sticky Sloth Designs, others from Lay, just like kind of like sparkly deco. And you'll see that, yeah, that one is from Letters from Lay. The bow, the bow on top of the prescription bottle is from the Giving Girl, and the prescription bottle is from White Deer Stationery. Oh man, I forgot how like winded I get through these voiceovers. That swooshy underneath the prescription bottle that is from Bloom Paper Studio, and Sharon named that the Rachel Squiggle. So I thought that was a fun to use. I do like the shape of that. That's the first time I've used that squiggle before. Okay, then here, let's see. On Tuesday, I ended the night with some How I Met Your Mother and Grey's Anatomy. So I pulled in the sofa chair with popcorn. That's from Cross by Towie, another swoosh from Pretty Pink Co. And then above that, I did something, I don't know. I put this like that, what is this? The mandala divider from Honey Inked, and then just some like tiny branches coming out of that. I think that was kind of cute. Anyway, Wednesday was Cinco de Mayo. I marked that using a holiday script from Shake Blossom Prince that is in black, but she does offer foiled scripts as well. Underneath that, I'm marking that I had to do laundry. So that circle like lace doily that's pink, that is from Rose and Tea Shop, and I actually really love using those for just like a nice pop of color, and like the lace detail is also really pretty. And then the laundry basket is from Planning World. So today, or this day, Cinco de Mayo, I wanted to make sure that I celebrated respectfully. So we just got tacos from a locally owned Mexican restaurant to support that business. And yeah, so here I'm just marking my work meetings same way that I did every day, well, with like slightly different deco. And then underneath at the end of the night, and I totally didn't plan this at all, like to be doing this on this day, but I watched the first half of the second season of Selena the series. So I pulled in a short flag from Clever Gal Crafts, and then that TV icon with the blush brush stroke is from Paper Blush Bar. But yeah, that was, yeah, I mean, I just love watching anything Selena, to be honest. Okay, Thursday, again, just marking my meeting, same thing. Let's see, underneath that, I'm going to be pulling in another thick lace washi. And this is the day that I hit 800 subscribers on YouTube, which is insane. It's crazy. Honestly, like, I don't know why people watch me. Just kidding. But anyway, no, it's so awesome. I'm really, it was just like a fun, I like marking those milestones in my planner because it's just so fun and weird, and like, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, thank you so much everyone for being here and for watching these videos and interacting with me. It's been such a just a fun time. Like, yeah. Okay. And then so I just pulled in, let me see, that YouTube icon is from Lilac Luna Plans, just to mark that milestone for YouTube. And then at the end of the night I watched the Lacey Peterson documentary, and probably I also watched another show after that, but I just wanted to mark that here. That circle, that lace circle is from the Pretty Pink Co. The sofa chair is from Planning World, and I'm obsessed with that sofa chair. And then just, some more deco here. At the end of the day, I just had some space. I didn't want to mark like that I watched another show, so I just pulled in like just put in some deco there. Okay. On a Friday, I had a really important meeting at work this day, and so I'm marking that the same way that I did, my work meetings on every other day, but I do push that down a little bit to mark that I got up early. I got up pretty early, like maybe an hour and a half earlier than I would have, because I wanted to prep for that meeting. Like, I don't know, I was so nervous about the meeting, and it actually like went really well. I didn't have to be that nervous, but I was so nervous. So anyway, to mark that I got up early, I pulled in this teacup from White Deer Stationery, put just a Give and Go Girl bow on it, and yeah, called that a day. Okay. And then, okay, so in the afternoon, this was honestly like super traumatic, is I had a spider in my car with me. I went to go to ShopRite, just like, like a casual trip to ShopRite, and I had the windows down. It was a really nice day. So I had the windows down to get a nice breeze in my car. There, I saw like this dark like kind of circle on my window, and honestly I thought it was just like bird poop, like no big deal. And then I'm driving to ShopRite, and I realize, like, I look at my window and there's a fucking spider like crawling up onto the window, like into the car, like over the window and into the car. I was like, oh, holy shit. So I'm so sorry for the language, but it was like super traumatizing and scary. And it was in the car with me. I was like trying to drive and not crash, but also I was absolutely terrified for my life. This spider basically was like on my chair, like into the window on like the side of the car and then onto my chair, and I was freaking out. I actually had to call my boyfriend, like once I parked at ShopRite, I called my boyfriend to come save me. And he did. He came he came and he got the spider out of my car. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You saved my life. Okay. um on Saturday, my boyfriend got his second dose of the COVID vaccine, which was really, really great. And my friend Gabby, who is Gab's Plans It All on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel, but she hasn't posted there in quite a while. But she is well, she had her baby shower this day. It was over Zoom, so she kindly invited me to that. So I went, or signed on or whatever, and so I just marked that with a lace circle doily from Alyssa's Craft Shop, some hearts from Clever Girl Crafts, that type of thing. But really sweet. She actually has had her baby since, a little boy named Gregory. So really, really awesome. Yeah. Okay, so Sunday was Mother's Day. I just pulled in another one of those lace circle things from Pretty Pink Co. I pulled in a script from Lilac Luna Plans, which I think those are like my favorite holiday scripts, and then just some deco around there. On this day, these days are like super busy for my boyfriend and I because we want to see both of our families on the same day. So we started off the day with brunch at Turning Point, which is like a really nice brunch place to see my boyfriend's mom and family. And then after that, we went straight to go see my parents to have dinner there. So like, yeah, those days are just always like back to back, and quite draining socially. But no, I mean it's so great to see everyone and to spend that time. So yeah, and then at the end of the night, I just had to prep my tax documents because taxes were due soon. So okay. So yeah, that is the final spread. I think it came out really well, understanding that I only had the full boxes, and then I had to like find things that I already had that matched the colors of the kit. But yeah, I love it. Came out super foily. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please remember to press the like button and comment down below, and I really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.